California at $14. Ban, kasi makikita mo rito, there is anomaly on cell phone. If you don't know what to do. Radio station in America po yan. And this is what we call it electromagnetic frequency. And the biological effect is cancer, genetic damage, mga changes in your cellular behavior, nervous system, blood-brain barrier will be destroyed. Even other part like cardiovascular, your sleeping quality will be disordered. Your hormone will be disturbed and be imbalanced. Immune system will become weak and low, and it will develop diabetes, and your fertility will be impaired. Even your learning capacity will be impaired. Yung talino mo masisira. You see? Because of ignorance only. And it's my prayer and hope that this gathering today may give you the proper education how to live with the help of Christ. Okay? Okay?
Amen.
Yan po ay hindi po dapat itago. You must know that because the United Nations, the WHO in particular, in around 21 of October, binigay na nilang ang kanilang deklarasyon but not accepted by the Philippine Government Department of Health. Bakit? May problema nito. Sana wala kayong problema ngayon. Opo, sila may problema. May tinatago sila na ayaw nyo malaman. Okay? Cell phone radiation will cause tumor on your brain, glioma, salivary gland, and acoustic nerve tumor. Tatlong bukol ang ililikha ng yung cell phone radiation if you don't know what to do. And even other doctors confirm it could break down your blood-brain barrier, promoting eye cancer and other ear tumor and many other cancer, variety of cancer. And even it damage your blood, genetic damage will be promoted. DNA damage is about also becoming risky, increase the occurrence of your lymphoma or cancer of the colon, significantly reduce fertility. Mababaw po ang lalaki. Gusto niyo bang lalaki mabaw? Ito, ang cellphone ninyong hawak, panira ng sperm yan. Yan, dito yung aking bag dito, wala akong dalang cellphone. Puro papel, saka konting barya. Ang cellphone, nasa bag. Ayan, nasa bag. Hindi ko na nilalagay po sa katawan. Baka yung cellphone nyo, lagi nasa katawan. In Japan, na cellphone, ipapatong nila sa table, mag-usap sila. Kaya dito, hindi mo ipatong kasi baka wala na yung cellphone. Di ba? So, kinakailangan, kung hindi mo maialis ang cellphone sa katawan mo, inom na maraming tubig ng Lister.
Yeah!
Yan. Okay, bakit iinom? Kami ang malaman nyo. Dr. Rubik, siya po nag-declare na epidemic card from cellphone. Kita nyo, mobile phone usage. Wala nang binanggit, walang laptop, walang iba pa. Cellphone, particularly, because all individuals has a cellphone. Dr. Rubik, a PhD, is an instrumental in helping him the biofield. And that biofield is your body. Yung po sisirain po ng radiation through your cellphone. And this is a pathway. The cell phone is the direct action. DNA breakage by radiation through cell phone. Then, the damage has been done. Your DNA cross-linkage is damaged. DNA cross-linkage. The base is lost. The cross-linkage, nothing. Affected po ang protein. You see, nabura mismo yung chromosomes. So, pag nasira ang chromosome, sira yung cells. And you are composed of more than at least 100 trillion cells. Eh, pag tumama sa radiation, hindi yung sa buhok lang, all over the body yan. And the danger is, radiation is invisible and insensible. Hindi mo makita yung wire. Pero kuryente yan. Radiation destroy DNA. Hydrogen electrons Pag nasira mo yung hydrogen, pilay na po yung apat na natira. Kailangan buo yung limang composing the name DNA. So pag napilay po siya, masisira. At siya po ay magiging, pag minalas-malas ka, magiging virus of the body. The virus is made of nucleic acid. No doctor will tell it and to reveal to you what is the composition of the virus or the structure of the virus. Probably, maybe. That's why they can stipulate the cure of the incurable today because they don't know where the virus come from. They don't know the origination of cancer. But Dr. Flores knows it and I'm imparting it to you. Okay? So what happened? If you are experiencing these things, you should not involve yourself on the drug affliction or the drug remedy, or the drug cannot give you the solution. So what happened? You develop stress, your energy will be depleted, you develop fatigue, even blood pressure will change, you develop some chronic illnesses, and you might suffer a stroke or even heart attack. And the most last, brain cancer will happen and tumor because of ignorance. Then finally, to the graveyard. Talunan. Gusto niyo ba ganyan? Ang namamatay po ay mga ignorante. Pero ang matatalino po ay humahaba buhay. Because you know how to manage your life holistically and naturally, but not chemically. And hospitality will not be there. Okay? Ito ho, dapat nyo malaman that people don't like drug anymore, drugs, hospital, because of people who die. So what happened with them? They look for solution. So the solution they only know is about miracle. And the rich people travel any part of the world just to look for miracle. Maybe for cancer, to eliminate diabetes, leukemia, and they found out some the four-world miracle water sites of the earth. So Lourdes, France miracle water is known, no, for the Christians. Meron din po sa Germany, Northern Germany. So yun po, akala natin mga Pilipino na naghanap ng miracle. Other people also, because cancer strikes anywhere. Naghanap din sila. And one of them also is Lakota, Mexico. In Mexico, they say, mga tao po, Magic Johnson, NBA player, was damaged by HIV. But somehow, he was cured by the sweet type of miracle water from Lakota, Mexico. Alright? So these are only some in Japan, they hit the city, and about Pakistan, down sa valley. So yung mga yan, hindi natin pwedeng iwaksi yan because no amount of solution are reliable to eliminate cancer, except you are genius, which what I did. So today, these people, I tell you honestly, Japan do not stop. Sabi nila, pero may alam na sila. They were devastated by the so-called atomic bomb, and that is hydrogen bomb, damaging the two major cities in World War II, Nagasaki and Hiroshima. Sabi nung, nakita ko yung write-up nila doon. We will not repeat war anymore, but we will not forget the damaging effect of the hydrogen bomb thrown by the US and the Allied forces on their two major cities. Sabi nila, if we were destroyed by this hydrogen bomb by the US and the Allied forces, we will retaliate by means also of hydrogen, but not as a bomb, but as a medicine. That the US cannot eliminate cancer, diabetes, heart disease, leukemia, our hydrogen medicine can do. So what happened with Dr. Sanetaka Shirihata with the mission discovering the hydrogen, then he found out all of this four-world miracle water. And he developed the technology. What you are paying is the technology na wala po sa ibang lugar on this earth. And this is the active hydrogen type of water. So, today, the question is, what's your defense? Wala. toxins, chemicals, pollution, drugs is included there. Autoimmune disease, walang depensa. Hospital, so the reason